The Toyota Auris Excel is one of those cars that makes everyday driving feel really straightforward. This 1.8 VVT-h petrol hybrid comes with an automatic CVT gearbox, and with 67,275 miles, it's a practical option for commuting, family use, or simply keeping running costs sensible. Being ULEZ compliant, it's well suited to city driving, while the hybrid system keeps things smooth and relaxed behind the wheel. You've also got satellite navigation, reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, heated front seats, cruise control and dual zone climate control, so there's plenty here for everyday comfort. I particularly like the XL trim because it gives you a good balance of comfort, technology and practicality without making the car feel complicated. It comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and 3 months warranty, extendable up to 2 years. Delivery can also be arranged nationwide. Overall, it's a sensible, well-equipped hybrid hatchback that's easy to live with every day.